Hey, what's up guys? Today we are looking the new very cool video. Before we go to the video, make sure you are subscribed to the channel and leave a comment saying I'm subscribed, and we are trying our best to personal reply to your comments, so let's go. Music Sleep Mask. Bluetooth Sleep Eye Mask adopts version 5.0 program. Binaural stereo design. Comfortable cotton fabric with comfortable and soft breathability. For people with symptoms of sleep difficulties, they can let them slowly go to sleep while enjoying music, and can also reduce the outside world. The noise disturbance provides a quiet sleeping environment. Grilling Mat Baking Sheet. Barbecue grill mat works for indirect cooking on gas, charcoal, and electric grills. Place mat on grill surface and food directly on mat. Do not use above 500 Fahrenheit, 260 Celsius. Use low to medium heat settings. Do not use directly over open flame or heat source. Follow all direction for indirect cooking from grill manufacturer. Waterproof Endoscope. Waterproof and 8mm diameter camera. This endoscope can be suitable for various types of environment, for example, low light or dark area, damp or wet area, etc. 1200p camera offers you a wonderful experience of recording a clear close-range HD video. The Wi-Fi endoscope compatible with iOS, Android, Windows, Mac systems. It can be easily connected with your smartphone via Wi-Fi. Multifunction tool belt. Let practical tools blend seamlessly into your life. 10+ functions: reliable, practical, and concealed. Separate design. Tool belt head can be removed instantly. Emergency use. No need to untie the belt, avoiding small embarrassment. 10+ daily practical tools: screwdrivers, knives, scissors, files, bottle openers, mobile phone cart openers when necessary, all available. Grill steam cleaning. Grill brush with a new type of ABS material, durable wire sweeping, cleaning fast, inexpensive, and reasonable. for a variety of barbecue. Simply preheat the grill, fill the Pro Grill with water. The water valve should be off during filling. Turn on the water valve and brush away the caked food and grease.
Motocross Jacket. Protective armor is made of high-density wear-resistant nylon. Movable liner allows for easy cleaning. Multiple large vents of plastic shells and foam are for maximum ventilation. All of the advantages keep you secure during riding. It is wonderful full-body armor, back protector, shoulder cups, elbow cups, forearm protector, chest all attached to a mesh shirt thing. Power bank, two-way fast charging BiPower digital display power bank. From low battery to full charge in a second. The charging time of Apple will be reduced through this 20 watts fast charger. Support Huawei, Samsung fast charging protocols. Docking station, plug and play. No power supply required, and no driver required. For Mac OS host with dual Type-C ports, connect up to 3 monitors, HDMI compatible A+, HDMI compatible B+ DisplayPort. When you have 2 hosts with Windows system, the docking station supports up to triple display on external monitors. USB-C-A expand to HDMI compatible A monitor. USB-C-B can expand to HDMI compatible B. Smartwatch. Call Me P8 Plus is our latest generation and most cost-effective smartwatch. In this new version, Call Me P8 Plus smartwatch has all-new 1.69-inch color display and full capacitive touch, supporting taps and swipes, so it is easy to read and operate. Soft silicone strap makes Call Me P8 Plus lightweight and comfortable wear on your wrist, and is available in 4 beautiful colors. Wireless dongle for HDTV. Full-function video dongle support wired and wireless mode. Support 4K resolution, cinema-level visual enjoyment. Adopting 2.4G and 5G dual-band technology design, the file transmission speed is significantly improved. Playing games and watching videos is more enjoyable. The mobile phone is wirelessly delivered to the TV or projector. Advanced IP camera, IP66 dustproof and waterproof supports cope with outdoor conditions. 270-degree rotatable and 47.5-degree vertically wide angle. You can control the camera to rotate horizontally and vertically through Mi Home app. Humanoid capture. If someone breaks into the detection area, the camera will make a high dB alarm sound and push the alarm notification to the Mi Home app immediately.
Electric garden sprayer. The plant watering can will automatic watering with 2 press, and no need to keep pressing the switch. This indoor watering can will help you free your finger from continuous pressing and spraying. You can 360-degree adjust the rotary nozzle, switching from a straight stream to a very fine mist. It is also equipped with a multi-directional sprinkler. Hey, if you like this video and want more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click notification bell so you don't miss new videos. Thank you.